Next example, y is equal to this, then prove that dy by dx plus x square pi by 4 minus x is equal to 0. Again, this is very important type of question, so see please carefully. We are given with this function and we can see that this is trigonometric function, and again this seems to be little bit complex. So first we shall try to make it in simplified form by applying trigonometric formula. So with practice you will come to know that here we can write 1 as cos square x plus sin square x, because 1 is cos square x plus sin square x is 1, minus here sin 2x. Sin 2x means formula of sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, but here in place of 2 theta we are having x, 2x. So formula will be 2 sin x cos x divided by, same here, cos square x plus sin square x minus plus 2 sin x cos x. Now observe it again carefully. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this becomes a plus b whole square, and in the denominator here is minus, so here also there should be minus. A square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square. Here we have applied identity, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square, and when here is minus, obviously there will be minus. Now taking this square common, it will be cancelled with whole root. So what is left? Cos x minus sin x over cos x plus sin x. Again with the practice you will come to know that next step which you have to keep in mind is we should divide numerator and denominator by cos x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x, and we get cos x minus sin x divided by cos x divided by cos x plus sin x over cos x again. Now simplifying, we get cos over cos 1 minus sin over cos is tan x over cos over cos is 1 plus sin over cos is tan. Now this is actually formula of tangent pi by 4 minus x. Formula you will have to learn. This is formula of this. So ultimately what we have got, that y is equal to this, means y is equal to this, that is tan pi by 4 minus x. Now we can see this function has been reduced into a simplified form. Now we shall be taking derivative y dash is equal to, how to take derivative of t ratio? First of this, derivative of tan is sec square. Sec square. Angle will remain same, pi by 4 minus x. Then don't forget to take derivative of angle also. Derivative of angle, pi by 4 is constant, so it will be 0 minus derivative of x is 1. So 0 minus 1, I can write minus 1. Minus 1 into this will be minus this. Now y dash is actually what? It is dy by dx. Now transposing this term on left hand side, we get dy by dx plus sec square pi by 4 minus x, which is equal to 0. Hence proved. I hope this sum is also clear, but remember main 2-3 steps. First is to write 1 as this. Then second step to keep in mind is dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. After this formula you must know. Then simple derivative.